If you need to request a refund from Facebook for a payment that has gone through, follow these simple steps to ensure your request is processed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your Facebook account. Access your Facebook account by entering your credentials on the website or app. Make sure you are logged into the account that made the payment. Step 2. Go to your payment history. Navigate to the settings menu by clicking on the downward arrow in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Look for the Payments section and click on Payment History to view your transactions. Step 3. Identify the transaction. In your payment history, locate the specific transaction for which you want a refund. Click on it to view more details about the payment and ensure it is the correct one. Step 4. Request a refund. Once you have selected the transaction, look for an option to report an issue or request a refund. Follow the prompts provided by Facebook to submit your refund request, including any necessary details about why you are requesting the refund. Step 5. Monitor your requests. After submitting your request, keep an eye on your email and notifications for updates from Facebook regarding your refund. They may reach out for additional information or to inform you of the status of your request. By following these steps, you can successfully request a refund from Facebook for any unwanted payments. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Facebook support for further assistance.